For those seeking top-notch window replacement, Karns TN, our team offers unparalleled expertise in energy-efficient windows. Our vinyl window replacement options are perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Whether you're interested in double-pane windows or need comprehensive window replacement services, we have the solutions you need. In Karns, Tennessee, our window replacement Karns TN services are second to none. We specialize in custom window solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of both residential and commercial clients. Our residential window services in Karns ensure that your home remains comfortable and energy efficient year-round. For businesses, our commercial window installation services in Karns provide durable and stylish options. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our window replacement Karns TN ensure that your windows remain functional and aesthetically pleasing. For those in need of storm window installation in Karns, Tennessee, we offer robust solutions to protect your home from harsh weather conditions. Our window sealing services in Karns, Tennessee are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency by preventing drafts and leaks. Regular window maintenance in Karns is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. We offer a range of window upgrade options to enhance your home's value and comfort. As a leading window contractor in Karns, Tennessee, we provide comprehensive window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your new installations. Our window design consultation services in Karns, Tennessee help you choose the best styles and materials for your home. We also offer window replacement Karns TN to keep your windows functioning optimally. For those in need of window caulking services in Karns, our team provides expert solutions to seal gaps and improve insulation. Our window screen installation services in Karns, Tennessee offer protection against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. We also provide window tinting services in Karns, Tennessee to reduce glare and enhance privacy. Our window warranty services in Karns, Tennessee offer added assurance that your investment is protected. For those seeking affordable window replacement Karns TN, our competitive pricing and quality service make us the best choice. Our team of the best window installers in Karns, Tennessee is dedicated to providing exceptional service and craftsmanship. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our window style options in Karns cater to a variety of tastes and preferences, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Safety is a priority, and our window safety features in Knoxville, Tennessee provide peace of mind for families. Energy-efficient windows Karns are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our vinyl windows Karns offer durability and low maintenance, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Double-pane windows Knoxville provide superior insulation and noise reduction,